morning! Today we're going to make sushi wraps out of tortilla. I'm going to show you how to make easy wraps. So for this wrap we're going to use lox, romaine lettuce, red pepper, carrots, cucumbers and cream cheese. And then I'll show you another way to do it for your kids if they don't like lox. So let's get started. We're going to begin with taking out a tortilla. Here's our cucumbers. You want to cut them into strips. Red pepper. Take out the inside of the cucumber. Throw away the seeds. I'm using a baby carrot because I found that they have less of that inside core. So when you cut the baby carrot into half, you want to lay it flat. It's just easier on your cutting board. If you do it on the other side, rock like a boat. Okay, so we cut up all our veggies. It makes it easier to spread when the cream cheese is softened. And I'm using a utensil that is handy in the kitchen too. Similar to this for my painting. I feel like I'm icing up a cake. So you want to go and put enough cream cheese all over the tortilla, sushi per se. So we've got our cream cheese layered. Now we're going to take some of the lox. Don't worry, there'll be another demonstration without lox for your kids do not like lox. Now unlike real sushi, they use raw fish. I'm using smoked fish. To put my carrots, line up my cucumbers. I'm going to take a romaine and cover my veggies tight like this. So I have my veggies on half of the tortilla. And I'm going to squeeze really tight. Like this. And then I'm going to cellophane it and refrigerate it up to 30 minutes in the fridge till it hardens a little bit. Will be easier to cut. So again, I'm going to roll this very tight. For my other tortilla, I'm going to use sliced cheese. You can use any hard sliced cheese. I'm going to use Havarti, a slice of cheese in the middle. I'm going to put my veggies this way so when I roll it, it won't go against the roll. If you don't want to put cream cheese, you can put mayo, you can put pesto. There's so many sauces that you could use. You could use sour cream. Here's my romaine lettuce, keeping everything tight together. And I'm going to roll tightly, very tight. So the other way to do it, instead of using saran wrap, I'm going to use the little party sticks. And then you'll take a knife, preferably a serrated knife, and you're going to cut your wrap like this. Are you looking? And look how beautiful this is. Now you could refrigerate it so it can harden a little bit. Of course, you could use the back of a spoon to spread this on your tortilla. I'm doing another one. This time, I'm just going to put the veggies. I'm going to make a wrap like this and like this. A little roll. So I'm making like a little burrito. It keeps it all together. So here's your little burrito. It's another way of doing it. If I want to slice it, I would slice it after I refrigerate it. I'm going to unwrap. And then I showed you how to make a wrap. Cut the wrap in the middle, as so. The reason I'm using a serrated knife is because you got to cut those hard peppers and carrots. There you are. Here's your wrap. All veggies with cream cheese. You know, it's really endless what you can put in your wraps too. You can put hummus, you could put black beans. This is an easy meal, especially when you are in a rush. It really just takes a couple minutes to make it, and yummy and healthy. Thank you for joining me. Oh.